today's video is going to be about some new stuff that is in my printable shop. The first thing I want to talk about is I'm also in the process of designing maybe a couple more journaling kit type of things, and then I also will probably have a tutorial on how to make these like ripped pages type of dealios for your, if you want to design your own. So the first one, the only one that I have actually completed right now, is this journaling template. So it is the print and cut area. All of my templates and stuff are the print and cut area, full print and cut area of Cricut Explore. So, or I'm sorry, Cricut Design Space. So you can use a Maker and Explore, whatever you want, to cut these. You're not going to be able to add your own branding to it because it takes up the full width of the page, and I want to optimize that for you guys for stickers, so that's why I do that. But this is the journaling kit, and it comes on one 8.5 by 11, I guess you would say, page, and you can trim it down like I have here so that it fits easier in your sticker storage. Almost all of my templates that I'm releasing now will do that, will allow you to trim them down so that you can mail them or store them or whatever better. So you can trim it down in half like this. And I have used this in this little hardbound, I think this is a B6, little Print Pressions B6 guy, like this. It's this gridded, you know, quote unquote weeks layout, I guess. And I used it in here, and I think it is so cute to do like a layering part with. The only thing I didn't use in here was this long washi at the bottom. But I think I used like almost every other thing. I love that it has these like layering circles, torn washi, like edges, and then torn kind of washi tapes, bigger torn washi edges, and then the torn washi edges on your date covers. So this journaling kit template in a PNG and SVG format is going to be in the shop. Because I designed this one like from scratch in Inkscape, it's only going to be available in the PNG and SVG file type of transparent white overlay sticker template thing, PNG sticker template. And then I have a couple other journaling kits that you can use in Canva that will also be listed, and I will leave a link to those down below. I mean, it's a similar vibe, similar thing, so you know, you can use them in Canva if you would like. The second thing that's only going to be listed in Etsy are some new printable overlays in like foiled, printable foil, ready to foil overlays in a newer format. What I used to do is give you two, kind of similar to this, where it was like a full page like this with a set of overlays and a set of overlays. So then you could print this one page twice and have your full sets, you know, together, if that makes sense. What I have done now is created more of a like foil pack like you would see from Caress Press, SPC, Pink Diamond Planner Co., Planner Pixie Co., anybody that really does like foil bundles, I guess you would say. And so what it is, I'll show you the this Halloween one. It's kind of like real busy, but so what it is a set that comes like this, and so you have one page here and one page here. And what you can do is print this page twice, so you have a bunch of overlays and a bunch of headers, and then you have all of your underlays as well. So if you print this page twice and print this page once, then you'll have, what is that, 6 pages, and that's enough to do like a full spread, and have some stuff left over as well. And you'll get numbers on the side, you get scripts, you get a bunch of icons. And the other thing is you can cut this in half. So let's say you make this and you just want to have like a bunch of, I don't know, silver foiled icons for whenever you maybe have, you use silver and you need to just keep them in your planner. Like I just have this little pocket here is all core foils of stuff. Mostly it's Scribble Prints Co., some of it's Caress Press, but mostly it's Scribble Prints Co., like core foils and stuff. And then I would just take, can you even see that? Was I even in frame? let me show you that again. So it's just a bunch of mostly Scribble Prints Co. Core foils and stuff like that. So like this week I'm using silver. So if I need silver, it's over here and I can just pull it through. I don't have to flip through my sticker storage to find it because my planner is like half functional. I do write lists and stuff in it and then half decorative, I guess. So I kind of want to have my stuff accessible. If that makes sense. So that's what you get. You'll get 2 pages that you print this one twice and you print this one once. And then I have already cut these and haven't foiled them yet. You may have to figure out whether you need to foil first and then cut, or cut first and then foil. I'm living on the wild side here, and I'm going to foil after I cut because I didn't know what foils I was going to use yet. So this is the Halloween one, and what you get on this page is, I think there's like 12 headers, and then you get 6 like full box overlays. The first half of, I'm realizing, oh, okay, I was like, I thought it only went down to 30, but I did it backwards, 29, 31, 30. So there's an error there, but whatever, you get all the same numbers. So then you get the first half of your numbers, 1 through 15, and then you get some of these like half doily things as well. So if you printed this twice, and you would have 8 of these doilies, and you can use them above your like day covers, or as some sort of whatever kind of deco that you wanted on each day, etc. So that's what you get on the first page, and all of the foil packs are like this, where you get this page, this page, this page, this page. So you have your like overlays and headers, your underlays, and some more headers, functional, and then washi thing. So there's that one for Halloween. This is a spider web underlay. And then you get your functional sheet. All these are going to look the same. And then you get 4 more headers here. And then 2 sets of 15mm like washi overlays. And then some kind of like deco bits. Oh, I will say, like sprinkled in here are little like deco pieces as well. Like little sparklies or whatnot. So this is the Halloween one. And I really like including these quotes, you know, for the overlays. So that's Halloween. Then this one I'm excited because I think I'm going to use in September here, like in this next week. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but this is going to be in the next week. It is a coffee theme, and I thought it was cute. I just did like a stars and sparkly doobs for the underlays here. Again, you would print this page twice and then this page once. So you'd have all your underlays that you could need, all your overlays that you could need, plus like some extra ones. And these have little coffee mug stains, I guess. My camera is like shining, making a shadow. But coffee mug stains and little like coffee bean. I tried to make it look kind of like a leopard print kind of thing, but in a coffee bean. And then coffee bean headers. And then like iced coffee and hot coffee washi, and then coffee bean washi. And then some quote boxes. So that's the coffee one. Then this, so there's, I think there's going to be 5. Yeah, there's 5. Then this one is a pumpkin one. I really like these pumpkin overlays. These are sold separately in the shop too, just a straight up sheet of these overlays. But this, I like these. They're so, like this one, they're just so simple. It's not like a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, and then there's your headers and doilies and stuff. So cute. I do have one for Christmas or winter, I guess, that I threw in. It is Christmas because it has more of a Christmas quotes on it, Merry and Bright and Jingle All the Way. But you could totally use just the like fir trees, whatever these are, pine trees, for like a winter spread too. And this just has some stars on it. I don't even know if, can you see? Just some stars. Yeah. So, and then this like has like stars kind of sprinkled around in it. Kind of looks like snow to me. So there's that one. These are the quotes here. Jingle All the Way and Merry and Bright. And then another one, obviously I love all of these, but I really like this one. It is fall with leaves and leaf underlays. though. That's what these look like. Leaf underlays. And then autumn leaves and bonfires, yes please. And let's get cozy. And then 2 more underlays and your washi, and then your functional sheet. So that is all that I've been working on to put in the shop. Oh, I did want to say, the sticker paper that I used, I'm going to see if I can do some research before I put this video up. The sticker paper that I use is Online Labels Clear Glossy for LaserJet printers. You have to have a LaserJet toner printer to print on LaserJet only clear sticker paper, and that is what transfers your foil when you heat it up. So there has been, I believe, a problem with the Online Labels Clear Glossy paper, in that it is not reactive in the correct way anymore. It's almost just that the toner just, or the foil just transfers straight to it. So I'm hoping that these I bought earlier enough in the year, this past year, that they're not going to be completely ruined when I put them through, because you want to just have toner reactive foil. You don't want to have heat reactive foil. And I think the problem is here is just the whole sticker paper has become heat reactive, and it just transfers the foil, and you just have foil everywhere. So I think that people are recommending a different paper. I haven't found that recommendation yet. Haven't found it. So I will try to see what kind of foil or what kind of clear sticker paper I can, leave for you guys. But then also I want to let you know that this is the type of foil that I use because it's super affordable. You can see this is 25 foot. This is like 12 inches, I think, and this is 25 foot. And if you get the mink foil, like the Honey Swap mink foil from like Joann's or something, I think you get 12 by like maybe 5 foot for $19.99 or some ridiculous price. And then I don't know, I haven't checked the prices since like all the prices have gone up, but I'm pretty sure that this, no matter what, 25 foot roll is going to be way cheaper. Last time I purchased this from, I don't remember, it was like 143 Vinyl, the Starcraft Electrofoil, I believe it is. I'll leave a link down below. It was like 17 some odd dollars for this whole huge roll. And you can see, like, you're not going to use a lot, and you're even going to have some left over, like I would even save this, and then if I had like little things to foil, I would just foil it with that. I have a whole like bin of just like random scraps of foil. So, and then I also use to foil, you need a super high heat laminator. I have a foiling video on using a laminator, and a regular Walmart, Amazon, regular old laminator is not going to get hot enough. You either can buy like a really expensive laminator, that goes to a really high heat, or you can purchase a mink machine. And I don't know which one, probably the mink is probably more affordable, but it might not last as long as maybe an actual foiling, high heat laminator foiling machine. But that's what I use, and I usually put it on like a setting 3, 4, or 5. I'm probably going to move up to a setting 5 because I've noticed sometimes that my foils don't transfer properly. But that's what I use. Thought I'd let you guys know in case you're wondering how to foil affordably, and I guess the best way. You're going to need a higher heat laminator than what you have access to as like a normal person. You know what I mean? Like that you just go buy from Walmart. So that is that. Like I said, I'll leave links to everything down below. If you're looking for commercial use stuff for my sticker templates, you can find that now or over on my Creative Fabrica shop. There's some also commercial use fonts and stuff there too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It seems that it was a bit long-winded, but I will talk to you in my next one. Thanks for watching. I will see you later. Bye.